Hi, welcome to YoGaEun YouTube channel. This content is side body and glutes exercise by combining stretching and strength workout. Whenever you move, don't forget to draw your belly in towards the spine to make your abdomen engaged. For those of you who have sensitive knees, be careful not to use too thin mat and place a towel under the knee if necessary. Let's get started by seated position. Just relax your shoulders and neck. Raise your arms over the head. Place your left hand down to the side. Lift your right hand a little bit more, create space on your right rib, and tilt your body to the left. You don't need to bend so much, and instead of that, focus on lengthening the side body. Inhale, exhale, release. Switch sides, raise your arms over the head and place your right hand down to the side. Lengthen your left hand a little bit more, create space, and tilt your body to the right. Feel the space on your left rib cage and breathe. Come back to center, release. Now just extend your legs in front of you, stretch out, and bend both knees to the left. Place your left top of the foot on the mat. Warm up the hips, lift the left hip up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Warm up the left hip. Inhale up, exhale down. Two more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now separate your fingers nice and wide. Place your right palm close to your right knee on the mat. Bring your left arm towards your left ear and lift your hips up. Push your hips forward. Stretch your left side body. If you want to add extra left side body strength, lift your upper body slightly, right hand off the mat. Hold and breathe here. Feel your strength. Good. Slowly release all the way down. And then place your right hand a little bit further than before. And reach your left arm towards your left ear and lift the left foot, straighten the left leg. Push your hips forward. Create a long line from your left hand all the way down to your left foot. Keep drawing your belly button in towards the back. One more inhale. Exhale, release. Extend your legs in front of you and switch sides. Bend both legs to the right side. Place your right top of the foot on the mat. Stretch your right hip. Lift and down, up, down. Inhale up, exhale down. Two more. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. Use your left palm. Separate your fingers wide. Place your left hand on the mat. Right arm towards your right ear. Lift your hips up. Push your hips forward. Stretch your right side body. Feel the space on your right rib cage and hip. Intensify your right side body strength. Lift your upper body slightly. Left hand off the mat. You're doing great. Just for 3, 2, 1. Good. Release. Now place your left hand a little bit further than before. Same line with the left knee. Right arm towards your right ear. Extend the right leg back. Lift the right leg a little bit higher. Feel the strength on your right outer glutes. Press the floor with the left shin. Engage your abs. Keep breathing here. One more inhale. Exhale, release. Straighten both legs in front of you. And bend the legs to the other side. Come back to same position like we just did. Place your right hand down. Extend your left arm and left leg. Stretch, inhale. Exhale, bend the right knee and knee to touch. Engage your core. Inhale, straighten your arm and leg. Exhale, knee to elbow, 10. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to elbow, 9. Inhale, extend. Exhale, 8. Inhale. Exhale, 7. Inhale. Exhale, 6. Inhale. Exhale, 5. Inhale, you're doing great. Exhale, 4. Inhale, 3. Reach, 2. Reach, and 1. Inhale, extend arm and leg. Exhale, release. Seated position, extend your legs in front of you. Bend your legs to the right side. Let's go to the other side. Place your left hand down to the mat. Right arm towards your right ear and extend the right leg. Inhale. Exhale, elbow to knee. Try to lift the knee high as much as you can. Let's go. Inhale, extend your arm and leg. Exhale, elbow to knee. Inhale, extend. Exhale, 9. Inhale. Exhale, 8. Engage your abs. Inhale. Exhale, 7. Inhale. Exhale 6. You can do it. Inhale, exhale 5. Reach 4. Reach 3. Reach 2. Almost, you've got there. Reach and elbow to knee. Good. Extend and release. Place your hand and knee down to the mat. Paschimottanasana. Let's cool down with seated forward fold position. Knees together. Inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward. Just relax your head and neck. Stretch your legs, your lower back, side body, and your whole spine. Take a few deep breaths through the nose. Inhale, raise your arms over the head. Exhale, release your arms by the side. Come back to seated position. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes just for a moment. Feel how strong your side body and outer glutes. Sweep them gently. You made it. Let's close up with one arm circle. Inhale, big circle, arms over the head. Exhale, bring your hands in front of your heart center. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. Namaste. If you enjoyed this content, please give me thumbs up. Subscribe Yoga and English channel to get more videos. See you in the next video.